Joining me today as we do our property tour of this beautiful home at 8 Carlisle Court in Edison, New Jersey. It's a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom, split level home. The kitchen has all been renovated so you can move in, but the bathrooms do need some love. So it'd be great so you could pick out all of your own fixtures, but the backyard is huge. You have a 1-car garage with an expansive shed, a huge deck, great patio, has a pool above ground. This home is such a nice home and such a quiet cul-de-sac street. So it would be perfect if you have small children or love to take your pets for a walk. It's such a nice area. So come on, let's go on the tour and check out this home. With a little TLC, this home could be perfect, and it could be perfect for you. So please contact us today if you want a private tour or you would like additional details on this gorgeous home. We'll see you soon. It's Jocelyn from the Jocelyn Russo Group from Coldwell Banker. And remember, who you work with matters. Have a great day.